siya.
Nakabig.
Wala.
May dalawang pack pa doon ng kape. Pancake? Frozen lang natin para.
Yung one kay baby double.
Ito yung homemade. Bukas masakit mo yung feet mo? Hindi na.
Hindi, nagsipa.
Oo, hindi.
Di ba yung...
Oh. Kasi di mo nauubos.
Friendship.
Mango, anak. Try them. Parang masarap tong mango. Umugo. Ano? You want this one? Tara,
I really like this. Get it.
One lang.
What's that?
Dikat. Yakap-yakap. O, tag-isa lang. Isa lang ang pwede.
This is your daddy. Okay, daddy, I'm gonna get yours.
Yan lang ako. That's it. That's it.
Mag-chichirya.
Wow. Ano others?
Ubus na yung yan. Flavor.
We try to...
O, sige.
I tested this before, but I like it.
Yes, okay.
That's for the other. Point two.
Kasi lang.